And a strong 7 magnitude earthquake struck 30 miles off the northern California coast yesterday. It led to a brief hour-long tsunami warning for the California and also the Oregon coast. And during that time, traffic was bumper to bumper as people along the coast tried to get to higher ground. The quake knocked products off store shelves like you're looking at here and rattled plenty of people, but there was no evidence of any major destruction. It was the strongest in California in more than 5 years. We have 2 reports here to help you understand more about this earthquake, starting with meteorologist John Mayer in Eugene, Oregon.
From here on out, now it's just a matter of tracking out what comes next, because with an earthquake of this magnitude, you're going to see a lot of aftershocks. We have already seen a very large number of aftershocks, upwards of 20, and we're going to continue to see these coming in all the way up to around a 4 to 5 magnitude aftershock that's already been recorded. And there is a chance we could get some larger ones as well. Ultimately, where all of this occurred, essentially where we see the conjunction of some of these fault lines. This is a rough estimate of where we have those lines. Typically, when we talk about earthquakes, they're over here in the Blanco fracture zone. However, this was further to the south, but much closer to the shoreline. Our earthquake's usually about 250 miles off the coast. This one only about 30 miles off the coast, down into Northern California. And that's what led to so many issues out there.
The seismogram just literally goes rail to rail trying to record this event. And it does record the amplitude. This is a description of how violently the ground is moving. And look, just literally, we're about 2 to 3 minutes of very, very big ground motions recorded by our seismometer.
Earth Sciences professor Randy Reed says it happened in a seismic hotspot called the Mendocino Triple Junction off Cape Mendocino.
It's the San Andreas Fault right there. And then the Mendocino fracture runs here. And there's the Cascadia fault zone. And then there's some offshore systems as well. But for the most part, you can see there's multiple faults that riddled this area. And that's where the triple junction is, about underneath my finger, where we just had another aftershock arrive. And when the fault broke like this. And so the motion is the Gorda Plate moving easterly, Pacific Plate moving westerly. And that sent a lot of seismic energy straight toward the coast. And that seismic energy also radiated through the mountains and into the valley, where a lot of people felt it. We all felt it in this building and across campus, and so a lot of students rushed into the hallway to see the seismometer display and to watch these waves come in from this event.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. While you're here, check out some other videos you just may like.